What is up? Let's go hustle, fam. Man, I got some game for you guys today. And what I'm about to teach you how to do is how to credit stack 100K or more in as little as 30 days. You can run up a bag if you have the right strategies and you have the right lenders to apply to on whatever bureau that you plan on, I wonder if I'm gonna take her today. I might take her today. I just added this to the fleet. So we're gonna see what kind of numbers it does out here in Florida. Yeah, we're about to take it for a spin. But yeah, back to it. So the reason you want a credit stack, let me explain the importance to that. The reason you do want to credit stack is so that you can have some leverage to back you in case you're out trying to do anything, whether it's with business, whether it's with life, or whatever it may be. You gotta have some lines of credit. You gotta have access to credit so you can, sustain. There's a lot of people out there that have already been in the credit space. So they got more power, more leverage than you. They're going to buy that property before you. They're going to close that deal before you. They're going to do a lot of things before you just because they have access to credit or lines of credit, however you want to call it. We have a strategy that can teach you how to stack up a whole lot of credit within a 30-day time frame. And the way it works is like this. When you come through our program, through our services, right? Like we're going to give you a complimentary credit repair. So we're going to repair your credit so your credit can be in the most optimal position, right? We're going to put your credit profile in a position to where a lender can never tell you no. So if we structure the profile that way to be undefeated, right? To be in a position to where a lender can never tell you no, then when you go apply for things, they're going to say yes. So what we do is we apply. We start with the Experian Bureau, right? And we apply to all the Experian banks that we may know. And we get as much money as we can. So for example, if we get Affinity for $20,000, if we get Chase for $20,000, I'm sorry it's windy out here too, y'all. But and we get Chase for $20,000. Let's say you get State Department Federal Credit Union for another $20,000. I mean, you just made $60K right there within 5 minutes, and they're still not gonna start telling you no until you get about 5 increase. So we apply 2 more banks, right? And we get another, just for easy math, just say another 20. So we got 100K now. So we got 100,000 in credit. And then the very next day, what we're gonna do is dispute the hard inquiries off of the profile. Those fall off within 72 hours. So what that allows your profile to look like, it takes you out of that position where you're looking thirsty, because right now with a whole bunch of inquiries, you look thirsty for stuff. You look thirsty for credit. You look thirsty for assets and things like that. So once you wipe the inquiries and they're back at 0, which is only a 3-day process, we teach all of our students how to do this in 3 days. Once you wipe all the inquiries, you can go apply again and just keep stacking and stacking and stacking and stacking. That's what you do. You go 5, you get the error, too many recent inquiries for credit. We don't approve you. As soon as you get that denial letter, the denial response for whichever lender you apply for, that's when you call. You stop running the play that day. Next day you call, you wipe the inquiries, give it about 2 or 3 days. They're going to be at 0 and you run it again. That's how you run it up as much as you can when it comes to stacking credit. And then if you need a lender's list, I got a secret lender's list as well. It's an updated one. It's this year's one. I got it from a friend. I got it from a partner. You can leverage that list so that you know exactly who to apply for and know exactly who Experian lenders are. That way you can't fail, and you can run up 100K or more. Literally, you don't even really need that long. You don't need 30 days. We've got clients that hit 250, 280,000, 300 in 30 days. That's a lot of money. That could put you that could put you in the door. That could put you in a lot of doors, right? That can give you a gang of opportunities. So that's why credit stacking is important, and that's what we teach. And that's what we're going to continue to teach on this YouTube profile. We're going to continue to give game, drop gems, and make sure that you guys can be financially stable and set for years to come. So like, subscribe, share this with a friend, somebody that you know, somebody that you care about, and let's go hustle, baby.